I'm sure sports here with Ricardo Smith. Ricardo, your team dominated the first half. Getting 2 goals. I thought you would stamp your class from early and take this game to bed. What went wrong in the second half?
Well, I think it was a bit complacent. And the complacency chipped in. We talked to them about it at halftime. Said, don't let this Waterhouse team back into the game. And that's exactly what we did. And it cost us 2 points here today.
So what would you guys have in plan to work on? I think the fitness and maybe the quality on the bench, kind of, tactically, you couldn't, put like for like on the field second half to raise the tempo. Tell us what you guys will do to improve that.
Definite concentration, continuous concentration for 90 minutes. We lacked that today, especially the last 20 minutes of the second half. We can make changes like for like, and the changes can come on and bring the same intensity or more, but probably it didn't happen today. But as I said, I think it's a complacency that crept in that cost us in the second half.
Christian always play a good game, but most of the time he played 50 minutes of quality ball game and then drop. I think concentration of him a little bit too in the games. Tell us about his performance.
A good performance. He can do better. Trust me, he can do better. I think he can put himself in more goal scoring positions. He has a lot of assists, but the goal scoring part isn't showing. We know what he has, that's why he's always out there. But I think he can push himself more, and he will be a far better player.
Thank you very much, sir, and I hope you continue to dominate and go far in the competition.
Yeah, man.